Hello, my automatons. Welcome to the Autonomy School, where I'm still showing you how to make a video game, and class is in session. Last time, we duplicated this text so that we could have our menu, and now I'm going to show you how to scale the text. And some of you may already know how to do this, but not everybody is as experienced with Unity as you are. So I'm going to make sure to cover all bases. So first you select the object you want to scale, and oh, I didn't do rename. Never mind. Okay, and you see over here in your inspector, in the top part, there is this stuff: anchors, pivot, rotation, scale. So scale is how you scale your thing. This lock button, I'll explain in a moment. So here on X, you can click on the X, and if you drag it to the left or to the right, then it'll scale it. If you scale it negative, it'll reflect or make backwards your text. If you make it positive, then it'll just scale and stretch. With the Y, same thing. You click on the Y, and if you make it negative, then it'll turn the text upside down. If you turn it positive, then it'll just stretch it upwards. You can also just click on the boxes themselves and put in whatever number you want. Just be careful because numbers are larger than you think they should be. And if you want to scale uniform, meaning you want to keep the X and Y scaled the same way, then there's this link chain, that's what I'm calling it. I'm going to zoom in so that you can see what this looks like. Anyway, right now it's crossed out to say do not link the X and the Y. When you click on it, it links the X and the Y, so that if you scale in any one of these, then it'll zoom uniform. So if you change 1 to 5, or if you change it to 3, then all of these will be 3. Okay? And for text, for title, yeah, 3 seems pretty good. I'm gonna move this up a little. So let me make sure this is in the center. Position. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, yep. So the next thing we want to do is see how to edit the actual text that is inside these boxes so that it can actually look like a start menu. And then after that, we're going to rename these so that they don't both say text. Right? All right, class dismissed.